Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to cover Unit 4.1 in that History of Novel as we are seeing from the last lectures. Today we are going to cover the part that is showing us the types of novels. Types of novels. Here you can see on the board all these diagram as well as the chart is also showing you the types of novel. In total, types of novels are 11. They are in this way: realistic novels, picaresque novels, historical novels, epistolary novels, gothic novels, autobiographical novels, allegorical novels, utopian novels, psychological novels, stream of consciousness novel, and Bildungsroman novels. So these 11 types we are going to see in today's lecture. The starting is with realistic novel. The realistic novel is a fiction that gives the effect of realism. This is also called a novel of manner. It can be characterized by its complex characters with mixed motives that are rooted in the social class. The characters in the realistic novel interact with other characters. The characters undergo plausible and everyday experiences. So all everyday experiences are with reality mentioned in realistic novel. The example we can say from E.M. Foster, the name of the book is A Passage to India. Second type of novel is picaresque novel. The word picaresque is originated from the Spanish word picaro. Picaro means a rogue. Means what? A picaresque novel narrates the adventures of the protagonist, who is an eccentric or a disreputable person, in an episodic form. Disreputable, who is we can call as anti-hero. Okay, and such type of person is the main character, that is a protagonist of this picaresque novel. Picaresque novel example is from Henry Fielding. The book is The History of Tom Jones. Tom Jones is such type of hero in this book, who is a disreputable person. Then third type of novel is historical novel. As the name mentions you about the background of history. Okay. A historical novel is a novel set in a period earlier than that of the writing. All the history depends upon, and the plot is based on the historical event. The name of the book is The Blue Flower. It is written by Penelope Fitzgerald. Fourth type of novel is epistolary novel. Epistolary means the word epistolary derives from the Latin word epistola, which means a letter. This novel is based on the kinds of letters in that. The epistolary novel is that in which the writer presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents. Correspondence means transforming of letters to each other. Although letters are the most common basis for epistolary novel, diary entries are also a popular form of this type. For this, example is of Samuel Richardson, and his book is Pamela or Virtue Rewarded. In Marathi also we can find epistolary novels such as Sane Guruji's Sundar Patre. And the second example we can take of our respected Shikshan Maharshi Dr. Bapuji Salunke and his letters, and based on it there is also epistolary novel. पत्रातून भेटलेले बापूजी, that is the title in Marathi. Then number 5 is Gothic novel. Gothic novels, what are they? See, the novels that include terror, mystery, horror, thriller, supernatural, doom, death or decay, or haunted buildings are called the Gothic novels. Haunted buildings, in that we can say where the spirit is there or ghost is there, bhoot katha we call it, and supernatural powers which are not in existence, but we believe that there is some supernatural power that is existent and it is having the effect on us. And Gothic novel, these all aspects of Gothic novel I had mentioned with this diagram. See, what is in Gothic novel? There is terror, mystery, good, rahasya. There is horror, thriller, challenging, and some horror, romanchak, supernatural, doom, death, which are causing to death, जीव घेणे अशा प्रकारच्या घटना, decay, where the person's all destruction is shown, विनाशाकडे नेणाऱ्या कथा, and then haunted buildings as we know, which are with पिशाच or bhoot or ghost. The writer means actually woman writer Agatha Christie, she is very famous for such type of Gothic novels. Her book is Crooked House, as I mentioned here. So many of her books are based on mystery, terror, haunted buildings, etc. And then number 6. Number 6 is autobiographical novel. ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल नॉवेल मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला आत्मचरित्रात्मक असे म्हणतो. व्हॉट इज इट? द ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल नॉवेल इज द नॉवेल बेस्ड ऑन द लाईफ ऑफ द ऑथर or the writer. The author changes the places and names of characters. The author may even change or avoid certain details of his life. It may or may not be in the first person narration. So there are two options, may be in first person or may not be in first person. And as we know, the writer may expose his life directly or maybe he tries to hide some points. The famous book David Copperfield is the autobiographical novel written by Charles Dickens. Let's turn towards the next type, number 7. 7 is allegorical novel. Allegory मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला रूपक असे म्हणतो. रूपकात्मक अशा प्रकारच्या कथेवर कथानकावर आधारित असणारी कादंबरी allegorical novel. An allegory is a story that bears more than one level of meaning. The surface meaning of such novel is different from the symbolic meaning of it. The symbolic meaning of an allegory may be political, religious, historical, or philosophical. The book is Animal Farm, written by George Orwell. Still, the forms are remaining of novel. We are going to cover it in the next lecture. So, today we had covered 7 types of novels with this lecture. Okay, see you.